Right, so now we're going to do the incline start with the automatic vehicle. Now we're going to do the following, starting with the blind spot right, mirror right, center mirror, left side mirror, blind spot left. Now you're going to select drive. Start again with your blind spot right, right mirror, center mirror, left mirror, blind spot left. Now remember, this is automatic vehicle, so it doesn't have a clutch. Now for the vehicle to move, you're still going to keep the handbrake up. First release the foot brake. Now you will see the car will move downwards and release the handbrake, and the car should go. Excellent. Right, so now we're going to do the 3-point turn with automatic vehicle. If you are ready, let's start with this. We start with the center mirror there. Right, your side mirror. We check the blind spot. Indicate the right. Select and drive. Then we do a full observation starting with right. Right then, now before you're going to release the handbrake, first release the foot brake. Now release the handbrake. Gonna check for the line ahead. Then sharp right. Look underneath your mirror until you see the shoulder of the road. And stop. Excellent. Handbrake up. Select the neutral. So now you're inside your box. So the rear should be past the center line and the front should not go over the shoulder. Now we're going to move backwards. Now firstly, adjust your wheels so that they are straight. A little bit more. Excellent. Now we're going to start with the observation, starting with the center mirror, left side mirror, blind spot left, indicator left. We select and reverse. Right, then we do a full observation. Right, first release the foot brake. Then release the handbrake and check underneath your mirror again until you see the center line underneath. Just proceed, just go on, almost there, just keep checking underneath, almost there, and stop. Right, what do you see? Do you see the line underneath the mirror? So when you see the line underneath, then you know you can stop. Right, now we're just going to go to the right again. So firstly we're going to start again with the center mirror, right side mirror, blind spot right, indicator right, right, put in drive. Right, then we start the full observation. Excellent. Then we release the foot brake, release the handbrake, and then sharp right, and stop, handbrake up, and neutral. And so there's your 3-point turn. The vehicle should not pass the front line.